Well, hello there, traders. This is Art Dill with FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for July 10th, 2012. We ended up taking 7 trades today. It was a very weird kind of a trading day, and I'll show you a trade that I missed that we certainly should have had and would have made a big difference on the day. Also, a couple of mistakes that I made today. I only got one contract on one of the trades, and would have normally traded 2 contracts, and so that ended up costing us 12 points. That we would have been another plus 12. And then I didn't move my stop quite quickly enough on one of the losing trades, and that cost us 8 points. So all in all, 2 trading mistakes I made during the day cost us a total of 20 points, which wouldn't have made it a banner day, but it would have been better than plus 8, which is where we ended up. Let me get our trade sheet up so you can see the trades we actually took. And here is the trade sheet, and this first losing trade we had, which ended up being a 20-point loss. Had I moved my stop per my program, that would have been a 12-point loss instead of 20, and so that was an 8-point mistake there. And then this trade, the short at 734, I mistakenly only got one contract on, so I got 10 points, but that would have been a full 22-point winner had I gotten both contracts on in time there. So these are the trades I took. 7 trades, we were 5 and 2, plus 8 points. I wanted to pull this other chart up for you to show you the trade that we definitely missed, and that was on the 5-minute chart here. And as those of you in the room know, I also watch the 5-minute chart. A lot of traders use the 5-minute chart in their trading. Makes that look a little better. This was our move down in the morning, and then the low, 634. And then we had a pretty good move up off of that, and then absolutely got into a channel sideways here. You can see very tight trading channel. I think that was about a 28 points or total here in that channel for over an hour and a half, just basically sideways. And then lo and behold, we broke out of that channel, followed by another 5-minute bearish bar, and that's where we should have been short. Should have shorted the close of that bar, 12,663. Put a stop above the high, 12,776, and that would have been a great trade to the downside. But once it broke out of that channel like that, with those kind of bearish bars, should have definitely been short. Just a trade that I just missed it. That's one of the things that happens in trading. I wanted to show you this, the mistake I made when I, on this one long, where we ended up losing 20 points, 10 points per contract. And as you know, my typical stop is a 4-bar stop once I get into the trade. I use a 15-point catastrophic trailing stop, but then I move my stop to the, if I'm long, to the low of the fourth bar, including my entry bar, and that was this bar. So my stop should have been 12,744, and I just didn't get it over there put in time, and ended up taking a 20-point loss instead of a 12-point loss, which is what it would have been had I got my stop moved in time. And this is the entry where I only got one contract on instead of two, which would have been a 22-point winning trade instead of 10. Hope you all are having a great summer so far. We had a really great week last week, and looking forward to the rest of this week in trading. Off to a little bit of a slow start this week, but it will pick up for us. Tomorrow is another day, and hope to see you all in the room on Wednesday. For FuturesTradingCompany.net, this is Art Dill, Trading to Win.